Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Third puzzle is a binary puzzle in the puzzle page of the weekend edition. Weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, September the 14th, September the 15th, 2024 is today's Saturday. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 4 stars Sudoku and a killer Sudoku. So two puzzles are left, the jigsaw Sudoku. But you are interested in this one. Yes, it's the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number. Let me zoom this in. Number 9276. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26. This one has 26. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 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 Now the double ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's. Here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Well, we have here 4 ones. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's. In a row, in the second row, not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O's, here one, there one. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Double O's, here one, there one. Alright, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I need to wait here. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, the 5th one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be 1, this should be no. Between two O's comes an 1, between two ones comes an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Well. The hard part. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. I think we need to compare. 3. It will be difficult. Well, not true. This column and the 4th column Let me compare. 00110 empty box 1100001111. So we need to switch those two digits. We have O here, this should be 1. We have 1 here, this should be no. Alright, double 1. Here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 ones. If we place number 5 here, the 5th one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of those. So this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O's. Here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1. Oh, double O's. Here 1, there 1. Double ones. Here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's. Here 1, there 1. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rows. So this can be no. This should be 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, the 5th O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rows, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Finished. 7 minutes. Well, we solve it again. With one time comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it a solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other puzzle. The last puzzle for today. The Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.